Yeah, that was me when I was little. Uh, um, in Alabama or North Carolina. Maybe Florida. Don't know. But that was like I was feeding the seagulls and at first did not know what to do. Whatever. But the last one I just was gonna throw it out, but there's like a seagull right close to me, so I just put my hand down and just ate it from my hand. That was so cool. I was so surprised that I saw. I was like, yes! Like, yes! Yes! Seagull is just fell out of my hand. Hold on. Those are dead batteries. I'm recording the rechargeable ones, not these two, but these two, and these two. Waiting for one of these. So that's this. So yeah, I'm gonna watch family trips and something else on there, but sorry, I'm on Facebook right now. So yeah. So yeah. Well, we are on right here. Fellowship of North Carolina. There's a picture of me. All dressed up for the prom. That's my hair. It's me again. My dress, like these right here, those straps of beads, whatever, that wasn't there, so it was actually strapless, but it was keep on falling down for me, so my grandma had to adjust it. I still haven't got one like that, but it looked pretty. So yeah. So I'm gonna let it go, alright? Bye.